Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing the importance of having a laptop cleaned on a regular basis. This laptop came in, it was shutting down, having some issues. It didn't look too bad on the outside, but when you open it up, now you start to see all the dust and debris that's building up inside. And what's important, this is your fan that's trying to keep it cool. That is all jammed up. All of this is kind of like causing the machine to overheat. It's going to cause it to shut down, and ultimately it's going to cause equipment failure. Your processor can die, your motherboard can die. It's a good idea to bring it into Impress Computers once or twice a year, get us to clean it up, and don't wait until your equipment fails before you bring it in, because by then it may be too late. So if you want to extend the life of your laptop, bring it into Impress Computers, 281-647-9977.